koti omurima kinde eyebembirwe omuramuzi Gladys Kamasanyu esindikira abashaija bashatu kabura murro okumara emyaka 3 banyuma yo kusinga omushango gwokuba n'emibazi ya gavumenti eyasirimu. Abasindikirwa mu nkomo ni Kibarya Ronald, Nditusawa Stanley Obema na Isanga Umaru.
For the second count, the offense of possession of classified drugs, I did find a sentence of imprisonment of 4 years, most appropriate for each of the convicts. And on the final offense, on count 3 of conspiracy to commit a misdemeanor, I did find a sentence of 3 years to be most appropriate for each of the convicts.
Call upon the public to remain vigilant and report to National Drug Authority any suspected crimes relating to drugs. They have access to safe, good quality drugs that work well.
Abakozi ba gavumenti aba bakakwatwa kwezi kwa 11 mwaka oguhire na doze embazi y'akakoko ka sirimu erikuhika emitwaro 418 kandi kabeyibirwe mu marwariro ga gavumenti gatari gamwe na gamwe.
Trying to stop the theft of government drugs is actually an extended responsibility from the Minister of Health. As one of the way to fulfill or to stop people who disrupt access. Because when we talk about access, drugs must be available. Government is actually making these drugs available in hospitals, and people who are supposed to store, to give out these drugs, they are the ones who steal them.
Ahabwe chetengo ky'omubazi ogu aha abantu abarukutura n'akakoko ka sirimu omuramuzi Kamasanyu akaragira ab'ekitongole kya National Drug Authority okutwara embazi egi omu irwariro rya Kayunga referral kuhwera abantu b'ekicweka ekyo.
And when we arrested him, one of the questions that we left police to investigate is how did Ndutusewa take away all these drugs without his supervisors noting.
Gashakwa na Good Fatuma.